Hello, Cloud 7 Travel here. I'm gonna bring you another room tour, this time heading over to Bellagio to take a look at the Spa King room over there. Well, we're taking the long trek to the Spa Tower, which is kind of in behind. Okay, Spa Tower, we made it. All right. Six two four. Nice seating area if you want to use the house phone. Oh, the next one. 8624. There we go. Haven't been here yet. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice spacious bathroom here with 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, and a full-size bathtub. And very nice moisturizing body lotion and hand wash here. A mirror to look at yourself. And this is a Spa Tower king size room. Nice big bed in the middle. Decent sized TV. And sitting area for 2, and a chair right in the middle here. You got all the wine glasses and stuff that unless you want to pay for it, you don't want to touch. As well as there's a fridge here, all stock with the mini bar. Well, here's the bed with it all lit up. Actually quite well lit up. Got tons of lighting. Some hotel room there, they lack the lighting, but this one there's ample lighting. One thing I didn't show you is the closet here. You get to use the use of bathrobes, and the safe is in here as well, along with an iron and an ironing board. Very nice. Nice sizable room. Well, let's take a look at the view to the outside, shall we? Looks like we have a strip view. And the parking area for Bellagio and Planet Hollywood, and in front of us is Cosmo. Anyway, here's a quick room tour. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next time.